Hi everyone, want Gemini AI to give you a highly accurate and detailed responses? Follow these easy steps to get the best out of it. Number one, you need to be specific with your prompts. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI response. So instead of telling or asking, tell me about AI, you need to try something like explain the difference between the supervised and unsupervised machine learning in AI. These provide a clear context, making the response more focused. Then, if you have a breakdown complex question, break it into smaller parts. For example, instead of asking how do autonomous cars work, you need to break it down like what sensors do autonomous cars use and how self-driving make decisions. These help the AI deliver better answers to each aspect. Then don't hesitate to ask more detail or clarification. After receiving an answer, you can ask Gemini AI to expand this or explain the further with examples. This prompting even more depth responses. Then, if you're asking about specific topic or scenario, you need to include help Gemini to understand the context better. For example, you need to write a blog or this helps the AI know the target audience. And if you're not satisfied with the response, try rephrasing your question, asking it in different way. By following these steps, you'll unlock the true potential of Gemini AI, getting responses that are detailed, accurate, and highly relevant to your needs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.